But that's why me I love Vanessa. Vanessa, no they give her holla. Oh, see Vanessa, na fire dancer. Yeah, she tell me master, master, can you do it faster? That's why me I love Vanessa. Oh, see Vanessa, no they cause it drama.
Now when I say it 3 times, you already know what's popping. This hair is what's popping, darling. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanessa K. Yes, I'm back and I'm better once again, darling, with another YouTube video. Do you understand me? So before we get into the video, make sure you leave this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and turn post notifications on so you're always notified when I post. Follow my social media, follow my Instagram, Vanessa K, 2 Ys, 1 underscore. Do you understand? Snapchat is IIS_Vanessa. Go follow me, add me, whatever you gotta do. I like to interact with you guys, so make sure you guys go do that. You understand? I feel like a businesswoman wearing this hair. Do you get what I mean? Like, this hair is giving me different vibes. It's giving me different vibes. You know? I don't usually go for short hair, but I think I would rock this. I really do, because I really like it. This hair is cute. This hair is cute. Let's just start off with that. This hair is bomb cute. And it's human hair. So let's get into this video. Okay, so a company called Dream Remy Hair sent me this hair. It didn't take that long to come. Sorry, my Snapchat is popping right now. Someone said they've had enough. Why am I so pretty? So this hair, let me give you the details about this hair. To get a discount on this hair, use my coupon code, you know what, whatever, use my coupon code, which is VK10, right, for $10 off your order, right? Alright, cool. So this hair, let me start off. This hair is what you wear when you're ready to show people you're on levels. Do you understand? When you're ready to show people, listen, I leveled up, I bossed up, and I changed the game. Do you understand me? This hair is giving me don't even look at me vibes. This hair is giving me I'm prestige vibes. This hair is giving me I ain't got the time vibes. Do you understand? It was a little bit more straighter than this, but it's human hair, so you can curl it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. So I did just kind of make the ends a bit more round, which is obviously I didn't do a good job, because you go, yeah, never mind. So this hair is 12 inches shoulder length. You know, it's nice. And then the density of this hair is 150%. The hair texture is straight, so like I did say at the start, it did come, people need to stop messaging me right now, they're interrupting. So it did come a lot more straighter, but you can just curl it, you feel me? I said that already. The hair came as bleach knots with pre-plucked baby hairs. Yeah, that doesn't lie. It did come with baby hairs and it was pre-plucked. Yeah, you don't really have to stress much. Like, you buy the hair and it comes done for you. All you gotta do is just stick it on. You feel me? You ain't gotta do much, baby. You ain't gotta do much. So all of their social media will actually be in the description box below. They do have other hairs as well, so go check that out. Their links will also be in the description box. There's a lot of times where you buy a wig and it doesn't come smelling the way you would have thought it would come smelling. But don't worry guys, with this hair, when you buy it, it comes. Anyone who's looking at me and thinking, baby girl, this hair's cute, yeah, I recommend it. Go buy it. It's not wasting your money. And this hair, like, guys, this hair is affordable. Do you get what I mean? It's affordable. So make sure you click all the links in the description box below. So just go check it out. Buy your hair, baby. Send me a picture of your hair, because I know it's gonna be banging. You know what I'm saying? If I'm not a hairdresser and I can make it look decent, I can't imagine what you guys are gonna make this hair look like. I'm not a hairdresser. Oh guys, I really need a really good hairdresser. Do you understand? I need someone who's really good at making wigs and someone who's gonna be a loyal hairdresser to me 24/7. Whenever I need you, baby, you're there. Do you understand? I really need someone to do my wigs and put my wigs on for me properly, because I'm not that good at wigs, as you can probably tell. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing a giveaway when I reach 10,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys share it to your mum, your uncle, your great granddad, everybody in your whole family. Send it to everyone. Do you get what I mean? Tell everyone to follow, subscribe to my channel. Tell everyone to subscribe to my channel. Tell everyone to subscribe to my channel and turn post notifications on and get active. You feel me? get me to 10,000. Once I reach 10,000, I'm thinking of doing a money giveaway. So if you guys are interested, then you better get me to 10,000 real quick, mate, real quick, because I'm ready to splash the cash on you guys, you know what I'm saying? So I will give you more information when I'm reaching closer to 10k on what you need to do in order to win whatever I'm giving away. But I want to give away to you guys, because you guys have supported me. You've been there from day one, especially the people who've been there since day one. Even if you just joined today, I am grateful for you being here. Do you understand? I'm grateful for you all being here and supporting, you feel me? So I want you guys to also let me know what other videos you would like me to do for you guys. You know, let me know, because I'm ready. I can't wait. Like, this year is my year of success. Like, I promise you that this year is my year of success, and I'm grateful for everyone. So thank you all, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, turn post notifications on so you're always notified when I post, and comment what other videos you'd like me to do for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Buy the hair, buy the hair, buy the hair. Don't forget to buy the hair. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.